your first thought, right, when you get that news is, no, I have babies. Like, I have babies. Like, I gotta raise my babies. December of 2022, it was the day after Christmas. I just got out of the shower, was toweling off, felt something. My youngest was 15 months old at the time, so I was still nursing. And so I think everybody was just probably like, it's a clogged milk duct, whatever. And so she said, just to be on the safe side, let's get a mammogram. And that turned into 4 mammograms, 3 ultrasounds, 3 biopsies, an x-ray, all in one day. The very next day, we got my results of invasive ductal carcinoma. I just said this little prayer in my head for my team, like, just get me into the hands where I'm supposed to be, the ones who are going to get me through this. The first appointment with Dr. Turk, there's just this new hope and faith and just confidence in your journey after that. At the time I was diagnosed, we had felt called to a 4th baby, and nursing was a very big part of my motherhood journey. It was really hard for me to have peace about a mastectomy or a double mastectomy. Nothing was just sitting right. It didn't make sense for our future. I'll never forget walking in that day. He walked in the room and he was like, well, what are we thinking? And I was like, I just want the least invasive surgery that will give us the greatest efficacy. And he was like, great, let's do a lumpectomy. And my jaw hit the floor and my eyes immediately started welling up. And he was just like, okay, we're happy with this. Is this good? And I was like, yes. I'm not even sure I spoke because I was just so thrilled that he took our real lives and our hearts and our desires into consideration and made my treatment plan according to that, and not just like a typical, well, this is what's normal. This is what's normally done. I started chemotherapy. I did 12 weeks of Taxol. About a month after that, I had surgery. And about a month after that, I did radiation. And then I continued with my immunotherapy for the rest of the year and got to ring the bell in December of 2023.